The findings of this study highlight a concerning reality. Even a short period of consuming unhealthy, high-calorie foods can cause lasting changes in the brain, potentially setting the stage for obesity and type 2 diabetes. While many people assume that obesity develops slowly over time due to poor diet and lack of exercise, this research suggests that biological changes can occur much faster than previously believed. The brain, often overlooked in discussions about weight gain, appears to play a crucial role in regulating appetite and metabolism. However, when exposed to excessive calories from processed foods, its sensitivity to insulin diminishes, leading to a disrupted ability to control eating behavior. This has significant implications, particularly in a world where processed foods are easily accessible and widely consumed. Many individuals may unknowingly be triggering changes in their brain that make it harder to maintain a healthy weight, even if they return to a balanced diet. The fact that these effects persist even after a week of normal eating is particularly alarming. It suggests that occasional indulgences in high-calorie snacks might have more lasting consequences than previously assumed, making weight management even more challenging in the long run. The study also raises important questions about the true drivers of obesity. While lifestyle factors like diet and exercise are often blamed, the biological mechanisms involved appear to be more complex. If the brain's response to insulin adapts so quickly to high-calorie intake, it may mean that obesity is not simply a matter of willpower or poor choices, but rather a physiological process that begins much earlier than noticeable weight gain. This could help explain why so many people struggle with maintaining a healthy weight despite their efforts to eat better and exercise more. Another critical concern is the impact on long-term health. With obesity linked to conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, and even neurodegenerative disorders, these early changes in brain function could have serious consequences beyond weight gain. If the brain becomes resistant to insulin after just a few days of consuming processed foods, it may also affect cognitive function and increase the risk of diseases like Alzheimer's. The findings emphasize the urgent need for greater awareness and more preventive measures to address the root causes of metabolic diseases before they become irreversible. Given this research, individuals should be cautious about the frequency and quantity of high-calorie processed foods in their diet. While occasional indulgences are a natural part of life, repeated exposure, even in short bursts, may have lasting effects that are difficult to reverse. Making conscious choices about food intake, prioritizing whole and nutrient-dense foods, and being mindful of how certain foods affect cravings and appetite regulation could help protect brain function and metabolic health. Additionally, more research is needed to explore whether these changes can be reversed and how individuals can best protect themselves from the long-term consequences of insulin resistance in the brain.